Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry font and program fix for HD screens. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start, type adjust, click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now here select adjust for best appearance. Then guys click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. And guys, after restart still you are facing error, so try another method. Click on start, type regedit, open registry editor. Now here expand HK current user, then expand control panel. Now double click on desktop. Now here guys you have to find out win at DPI scaling, so double click on it. Now value data set number 1, then click on OK. And guys, here you have to find out log pixels, and if you don't have, so right click anyway, new and debug 32, type log pixels. So type similar log pixels and double click on it. Value data Mac 78, then click on OK. Now guys, close this registry editor and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps, we can fix and we can resolve blurry font and program lagging. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.